Well, I've looked forward to asking you about just about every question that I've asked you today, Dr. Sonia, but here's one that I was really looking forward to. Let's chat about the recent popularity of weight loss drugs like Ozempic and Mounjaro. They seem to have become the go-to trend, but many women are now discovering that it can lead to sagging skin and what's called Ozempic face. So what do you want them to know before starting these regimens?
Well, I think there's definitely an explosion of these weight loss medications, and there's going to be newer and newer generations, hopefully better, safer, and have great long-term data behind them. There's definitely pros and cons whenever you start on your weight loss journey with these medications. You know, the pros are people can do really well and lose weight when they do it the right way and safely. It can also lower the inflammation in your body, which is why we use it, is actually more of a microdosing schedule, which is safer and it's more sustainable. We're able to lower the inflammation so that when they get procedures done, when they get their surgeries done, our results are going to be that much better. However, the cons here are they can give you this Ozempic face. Patients do become healthier. They can stop some of their medications, diabetes and heart medications, which is fantastic for total health. But that rapid weight loss can definitely cause some of that sagging skin, and you can really see this telltale sign that they've had rapid weight loss. And a lot of times they're also not doing some of the appropriate things that they should be doing. Their 30%, our pillars of health that we talked about, which is doing a high protein, taking a high protein diet, making sure that they are doing more weight bearing exercises, because all of these are really important. The side effects are you do lose muscle mass. And so it's very important to be vigilant about protecting yourself so that you don't have another problem later on. So the beauty at LeadMD is that wherever you are in your weight loss journey, we can definitely help you with, again, tools in our toolbox. So if you've got that sagging skin, we have non-invasive treatments all the way up to surgical procedures, depending on how much weight you've lost and what your goals are. The 5 pillars of health is really the way to start, and then to get on these weight loss medications is going to be much more safer. So whether you've got the Ozempic face, you've got the sagging, we've got elite transformation packages, again, that customized package to really get you to the results you're after. We have, fat transfer and lipo, where we can actually take your own fat and put it into areas where you do want it, because it truly is a whole body weight loss. It's not just your face. So we've got, tricks up our sleeves to really help with a combination approach. Or if you're early in your game and you just want to get started and find out more information, we also help with medically supervised weight loss. Again, more of the microdosing, because we want to lower that body's inflammation. It also helps with targeting a bunch of, several conditions and diseases to get you better. But what we love about it is that it can lower your inflammation safely and more sustainably over a long period of time.